Hey, what's up, guys? So I haven't been recording of late because it's just been super busy with stupid dog shit work and travel. But anyway, now I have an opportunity to do a recap. So what I did was I took three different tickers today, mostly on the tech stocks. They've been really beaten down over the course of the last few weeks, actually. As you can see, PayPal here on the daily level dropped all the way down, holding this level pretty strong. Around the $76, $72 area are some daily levels all the way back from 2016. So from a long-term investment standpoint, looking like pretty good value. I actually put in some put options that are around 72 and 76 levels. So we'll see what happens. But on the day trade side, what I did was I initially thought it was going to reverse, that the 77.23 level was going to hold, so I went long several hundred positions, and then once it broke the 77.23 level, I think at around 7.15, I stopped out. I saw that I was holding, so I went back in, and then I stopped out again, and then finally I decided to not stop out and just go in and hold it through this trench area. So I went in smaller size this time, and at around 76, 80, 77 bucks, and then holding it to see if it would then break down towards the 72, and I would continue to add in towards 72. Only when it breaks through 72 would I stop out. So it actually held this level at around 76.50-ish, and then it popped all the way back up to 78. So that's when I exited my position, because as you can see on the 1 minute, it basically bounced around this level at the 78, 77, 80 level or range. And then when it dropped back down to this moving average, this I believe this is the 50 moving average, it's holding it strong. There's also that daily level at 77.23. So I went back in several hundred shares, popped back up to the original level of 78, and then I got out. So that's it. Those are my trades for PayPal. I also did some similar trades with ROKU. Again, there's a daily level at 80.18. Went in, added to it, and then once it broke down below the 80.18, I stopped out. And then when it dropped, this level corresponds to the Camarilla pivots at around 78.50. So that's when I went back in. I went in heavier this time because it was holding it on the 5 minute. And then on the pop, I decided to get all out at around the 80.18 level, just because this was a level of potential before support. Now it's a potential level of resistance. It did hold for a bit before dropping, so I did get out all my position. And then when I saw that I was holding it around just below the 80.18, and there's going to be a EMA SMA cross, that's when I went back in, lighter size this time, so because I've already made my daily goal. Went in lighter, and again, similar to what I did with PayPal, once it popped up to the original level, I exited my position. So that was good for another several point move. I did originally hope and wanted it to go up to 81. I got out a bit before that, so I didn't really get it, but now it's at like 81.15, so may make its way up to 83-ish or 84-ish. But again, I'm done with ROKU as well. I did a quick trade on JD. Stock is weak, beaten down, so I took a short, but I got out too early, or you can say I got in too early, because I got in at around this moving average in a 5 minute, which again provides a good level of support. So that's why it bounced really quickly and briefly, and then it just collapsed all the way down to 51. So if I went in maybe 5 minutes later, I would have gotten a really nice ride all the way down to 51 from 53. But I did not, so I basically scalped this for 50 bucks. Not really a good trade, but it is what it is. So that was my trade on JD. Dash is the one that really hurt me. I got chopped up a bit here. Went in long, I was holding this level, and then I got stopped out. And then I decided to go back in a lighter size, smaller size, and then it popped up, and then I decided to get all out. Tried to make back as much of my loss as possible, and so overall I lost like 66 bucks on Dash. So that's it. Those are my trades. Hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. Yeah. Have a green day, and hopefully a green week as well. Peace out.